Making money by driving for Lyft involves becoming a driver partner on the Lyft platform and providing rides to passengers. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started and maximize your earnings. 1. Meet the requirements. You must be at least 21 years old. You must have a valid driver's license and at least 1 year of driving experience. Your vehicle should meet Lyft's requirements, which can vary by region. Generally, it should be in good condition, with 4 doors and seats for passengers. 2. Sign up. Download the Lyft driver app from the App Store. Create an account and complete the application process. This includes submitting required documents such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, insurance, and a profile photo. 3. Vehicle inspection. Some regions require your vehicle to pass a safety inspection. Lyft provides information on approved inspection locations. 4. Background check. Lyft will conduct a background check, including criminal and driving record checks. Approval is necessary to become a Lyft driver. 5. Set up your schedule. You have the flexibility to choose when and how much you want to drive. You can drive part-time or full-time, depending on your availability. 6. Accept ride requests. Once approved, log in to the Lyft driver app whenever you're ready to drive. You'll receive ride requests from nearby passengers. You can choose to accept or decline each request. 7. Provide great service. Drive safely and professionally. Provide a friendly and comfortable experience for passengers. Follow navigation instructions to reach your destination efficiently. 8. Maximize earnings. Utilize peak hours. Drive during busy times when demand for rides is higher. This often results in increased fares due to surge pricing. Complete bonuses. Lyft offers various bonuses and incentives for drivers who meet certain requirements, such as completing a certain number of rides within a specific time frame. Keep your vehicle clean and comfortable. Maintain a clean and pleasant environment for passengers. 9. Earn and get paid. Lyft automatically calculates the fare based on factors like time and distance. You'll earn a percentage of the fare, and tips are also common. Lyft pays drivers weekly through direct deposit. 10. Stay informed. Stay updated with Lyft's policies, changes, and updates by regularly checking the Lyft driver app and reading their communications.